Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be transplanting my huge Kimberly Queen fern, which has outgrown its pot here into this much larger 20-inch pot. I noticed because some of the plant was actually growing through this drainage hole right here. This part just snapped off, but the fern will be okay. Okay, I used up what the remaining bags of regular potting soil, which I had here, because this is a pretty big pot. And so I'm going to have to move this plant here. Moving my trowel out of the way. Okay. You certainly are a giant. I know some people name their plants for whatever reason, but I never do. I don't see the point in it. I have to use this pot here just to get some of the excess soil in here so I can put the fern roots in. I'm not causing any trouble by picking the fern up by its fronds. Okay, there we go. There we go. I know you're going to be happy because you're out of the small cramped pot that you were in. The soil I use for this, I just use regular potting soil, and I also had some leftover soil for planting herbs and vegetables, which I wanted to use up, so I used threw that in here as well, because I didn't think I would have enough soil. how fast this Kimberly Queen grew. It was in like a gallon-sized pot when I first got it, and now it's this monster. If I put it in the ground, it'll overtake everything. All I need to really do now is just water this beast, and I'll be finished. Okay, what's left to do is for me to put the fern right back where it used to be, and I need to clean up my mess here. And at any time you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, drop me a comment, and I will see you next time.